Hello friends, first of all welcome to my video lecture. Today's my topic is logic gates. Okay, let's see. Logic gates are the logic circuits which act as the basic building blocks of any digital systems. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and one output. Okay, the relationship between the input and output is based on a certain logic. Depending on this logic, the gates are named as NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, etc. Okay. Next is the truth table. Let's see definition of truth table. The operation of a logic gate or a logic circuit can be best understood with the help of a table, which is called as truth table. The truth table consists of all the possible combinations of the inputs and the corresponding state of output produced by that logic gates or logic circuit. Okay. Next is the Boolean expression. The relation between the input and the output of a gate can be expressed mathematically by means of the Boolean expression. Okay. Next, let's see the classification of logic gates. The logic gates are classified into three categories, namely the basic gates, the universal gates, and the special purpose, which is mean as derived gates. Okay, let's see. This is the classification of logic gates. First is basic gate. In that gate, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate are the types of basic gates. Second one is universal gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are the universal gate. And next is derived gate, which is also called as special purpose. In that gate, XOR and XNOR gate is the type of special purpose gates. Okay, let's see in detail. First gate is OR gate. Okay, this is the symbol, logical symbol and truth table of OR gate. Okay, and OR gate perform the logical addition. Okay, and OR gate perform the logical addition on its inputs. Therefore, its output will be high if any one or both the inputs are high. Okay, its output will be low when if and only if both the inputs are simultaneously low. Okay, first let's see the logical symbol. Okay, and next is the truth table of OR gate. Above figure shows the truth table and logical symbol for two input OR gate. Note that the output Y is low if and only if both the inputs are low. Okay, if any one or both the inputs are high, then the output Y is high. Okay, let's see. And its Boolean expression for the two input OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, this is the OR gate. Next is the AND gate. AND is one of the logic operator. It performs the logical multiplication on its input. Okay, the output is high, means Y is equal to 1 if and only if all the inputs to the AND gate are high. Okay, the output is low when if any one or more inputs are low. Okay, AND gate can have two or more inputs and only one output. Okay, let's see logical symbol and truth table. Okay, the logical symbol of a two input AND gate is as shown in this figure, and truth table is also shown in this figure. Note that the output is high, means Y is equal to 1 only when both the inputs are high. Okay, and its Boolean expression is the expression relating the input means two inputs A and B and output Y of a gate is called as the Boolean expression. Okay, the Boolean expression for AND gate is Y is equal to A into B, where the dot between A and B represent multiplication. Okay, next is the NOT gate. Okay, the NOT gate or inverter is a logic gate having one input. Okay, one input A and one output Y. Its symbol and truth table are shown in this figure. Okay, this is the NOT gate. The NOT gate is also known as an inverter because its output is in the inverted version or complemented of its input. Okay, the bubble in the symbol of a NOT gate indicate the inversion operation. Okay, the operation of a NOT gate for various input combinations is using next gates. Okay, next is the NAND gate. Okay, let's see, this is the logical symbol and truth table of NAND gate. The term NAND can be split as NOT dash AND, which means that the NAND operation can be implemented with the combination of AND gate and a NOT gate, that is inverter. Okay, thus a NAND gate is equivalent to an AND gate followed by an inverter. Okay, let's see, last is the last diagram, equivalent gate circuit. Okay, and similar first diagram. The symbol of a two input NAND gate is shown in this figure, where a bubble on the output side represent inversion. Okay, the truth table of a two input NAND gate is shown in this figure, which shows that the output is low when, if and only if both the inputs are high simultaneously. Okay, for all other input combinations, the output voltage will be high. A NAND gate is called as universal gate because we can construct AND, OR and NOT gates using only NAND gate. Okay, and its Boolean expression for the two inputs NAND gate is Y is equal to A into B complement, where the line over the expression A into B represents an inversion. Okay, which is called as bar. Next one is NOR gate. This is another universal gate. The word NOR can be split as NOT dash OR, which means that a NOR operation can be implemented with the combination of an OR gate and a NOT gate, that is inverter. Okay, thus a NOR gate is equivalent to an OR gate followed by an inverter. The symbol of a two input NOR gate is as shown in this figure, where a bubble or the output side on the output side represent inversion. Okay, the truth table of a two input NOR gate is also shown in this figure, which shows that the output of a NOR gate is high when, if and only if all the inputs are low simultaneously. The output of a two input NOR gate is low if any one or all the inputs are at high level. Okay, next, the NOR gate like NAND gate can be used as a universal gate. Okay, and its Boolean expression is, the Boolean expression for the two input NOR gate is given by Y is equal to A plus sorry, it's mistake in this expression. Y is equal to a plus b bar. Okay, means y is equal to a plus b complement. Next is the XOR gate, the exclusive OR gate. Okay, the XOR gate having two input terminal and one output terminal. Let's see in this figure the truth table of a two input XOR gate as shown in this figure, which shows that when both the inputs are at identical logic levels, means A is equal to B, the output is low. Okay, that is y is equal to 0. For a is equal to b is equal to 0 or a is equal to b is equal to 1, and the output is high when a is not equal to b. Okay, and the boolean expression for the two input XOR gate is y is equal to, let's see here, y is equal to a XOR b, which is also equal to a into b bar plus a bar into b. Okay, and this is the equivalent circuit of this gate. Okay, next is the XNOR gate. The word XNOR is a short form of exclusive NOR. XNOR means not exclusive OR. Okay, the symbol for a two input XNOR gate is as shown in this figure, and its truth table is given in this figure. Okay, which shows that the output of an XOR gate is high when if both the inputs are identical, which is also equal to A is equal to B, and the output is low if the inputs are not identical, means A is not equal to B. Okay, the boolean expression for an XNOR gate is given by y is equal to a XNOR b, which is also equal to a into b plus a bar into b bar. Okay, and next is the equivalent gate of this circuit. Okay, let's see this. Thank you for watching this video.